Welcome to the world of creativity, mindfulness, and a holiday sparkle. In today's video, we will explore how you can create beautiful X-Mix tree crafts using gold fiber and natural jute fiber. This project isn't just about decoration, it's about calm, creativity, and connection. Each twist of jute and shimmer of gold fiber brings you warmth and mindfulness into your space. Let's begin with the material. You will need jute fiber, gold thread, or golden fiber ribbon, glue, scissors, and a cardboard cone or base for your tree. These simple natural materials transform into something magical, a piece of art made by your own hands. Jute express and jute represent nature and simplicity, while gold flower fibers add a touch of elegance and festivity. Together they blend rustic beauty with holiday sparkle, perfect for mindful X-Mix decor. Start by wrapping the jute fiber around your cone base gently. Take your time. Each wrap, each layer is a mindful moment. As you craft, breathe slowly. Focus on the texture, the rhythm of your hands. Mindful crafting helps reduce stress and improve focus. A wonderful practice for both kids and adults. You'll notice how calm the process feels, how peaceful is it to create something with patience and intentions. Once your tree base is covered with jute, it's time to add the magic. The gold fiber, wrap it around softly. It spirals or patterns you love. You can make it shine more by adding small ornaments like pine cones, bells, beads, or stars. This golden accent symbolizes light, hope, and joy, the heart of the X-Max spirit. As you decorate, remind yourself and your children every creation is unique, every handmade craft carries emotion, focus, and love. So these trees and these decorations are made handmade. You can make it at home. You can copy it as well, and you can copy it. You can take many designs like gold fibers, jute, some old baskets, old bucket. If you make tree, so you can take cardboard, wrap some jute rope, add some fairy lights, and you can create many type of this. The golden accent symbolize light, hope, and joy, the heart of the X-Mix spirit. As you decorate, remind yourself and your children every decoration is unique, every handmade craft carries emotion, focus, and love. This activity is especially beneficial for children. They learn hand coordination, patience, and creative expressions. It is also a chance for present and cares, parents and cares to bond, laughing, sharing, and creating memories together. Through this process, if you crafting together, learn that true beauty doesn't come from expensive decoration but from simple, natural, and heartfelt creations. The jute teaches sustainability. The gold fiber inspires celebration. Together, they reflect balance and emotion, mindfulness. Once your tree is complete, place it on your table, near your window, or as part of your centerpiece decor. It is rustic, charm, and golden glow will fill the space with warmth and space and peace. Every time you see it, you will feel that sense of achievement, the calm of creating something from your heart. Craft like this remind us that X-Mix is not just about lights and gifts, but about presence, creativity, and gratitude. So this X-Mix, let your creativity shine through old gold and jute fibers. Make crafts that reflect your love for nature and your passion for mindful living. Thank you for joining us. Thank you be a part of this journey. Thank you for bringing us here. We try to bring amazing and unique designs. We try to bring passionate ideas, beautiful ideas for our viewers and subscribers. We try to bring for you amazing and unique designs. Thank you, be a part of this journey. Thank you for joining this golden journey of handmade joy. If you love this mindful X-Max Crafts, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beautiful DIY inspiration. May your home, may your holiday be filled with light, calm, and creativity. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and creativity. Keep crafting and keep shining like a star. Keep crafting like artists. Keep making something beautiful and amazing. May your home fulfilled with love, happiness, and joy. Thank you for joining us. God bless you.